जय जगन्नाथ दोस्तों. So today we discuss about three-phase induction motor. So what is three-phase induction motor? It is a type of AC induction motor that convert three-phase electrical power into mechanical power. So there are basically two types of three-phase induction motor we use, and these induction motors are named by according to their rotor name. One is squirrel cage induction motor and another is rotor wood or a slip ring induction motor. So before we going to discuss on these motors, first we discuss on some other points. One is stator, second is rotor, and third is rotating magnetic field. So what is stator? Stator is a part which is the stationary part of the motor, and the rotor is a part which is the rotating part of the motor. Rotating magnetic field. So what is rotating magnetic field? When we give a three-phase supply to the stator winding of the motor, then it produced a magnetic field and which rotate like a rotor, and for which reason we call it is a rotating magnetic field. And the speed of this rotating magnetic field we call the synchronous speed. Synchronous speed means like similar, means the rotating magnetic field speed and the rotor speed are equal. So in this motor, the speed of the rotor is always less than the synchronous speed. So first we discuss about squirrel cage induction motor. So what is squirrel cage induction motor? The induction motor which use a squirrel cage rotor we call the squirrel cage induction motor. The rotor of this motor is made of steel laminations with aluminum or copper embedded in its surface. The rotor of this motor we call squirrel cage, as it looks like a squirrel cage. So for this reason we call it is a squirrel cage rotor. This motor is working on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So these motors we use where we need a constant speed, like in centrifugal pumps, lift and machine tools, and in industrial applications, etc. So now we discuss about slip ring induction motor, which is also known as wound rotor induction motor. So it is also type of three-phase induction motor, and in this motor we use the rotor as a slip ring. In this motor we use three-phase winding instead of copper bars in the rotor. In squirrel cage induction motor we use the rotor squirrel cage rotor, and in this squirrel cage rotor we use copper bar. But in the slip ring induction motor we use in the rotor three-phase winding instead of copper bars. So this motor have high starting torque, low initial current, improved power factor and robust construction with efficient and speed control. So these motors widely we use in industries like in metals and mining and manufacturing, etc.